Good morning, kids. Welcome back. I hope you had a great summer. Mrs. Myers, this is Leslie Burke, who will be joining your class.
Wow. You're really good at drawing. Like, better than any kid I've ever seen.
Oh, thanks.
I heard it was your birthday yesterday. Like it?
Thanks. A lot. What's going on?
Your friend Leslie is dead. She drowned in a creek this morning. Apparently she tried to swing across on a rope and it broke.